Designer is Vero's powerful new CAD for CAM application. With its clean, new interface, the ribbon toolbar, and the quick search, it's easy to navigate and find the functionality you need. The structure tree will help to manage larger parts or assemblies, and views can be managed from the head-up display toolbar in the graphics window. You can import models of many different file formats into Designer. This can often require some form of model fixing. Direct modelling means we don't have to deal with complex history trees and the rebuilding of parts. We can do model repair, fix solids, surfaces or wireframe as if they've been created in Designer itself. Designer is being marketed for the CAM market, for our customers. Core functionality is tailored toward being able to take existing CAD models and preparing them for manufacture. Hole capping is a key part of this. Designer automatically caps multiple holes quickly and easily. Direct modelling can be applied to lots of different model types, making it applicable across the diverse range of manufacturing environments that Vero operate in. The measurement tool, alongside intelligent snapping, enables us to have complete control when manipulating our parts. The direct modelling capabilities gives us the freedom to pull and push the model around until you get the desired result. Clearance is easily added and any unwanted features removed. Often supports are required, so these can be added where necessary. Pre-existing parts can be added to complete the fixture. Regardless of whether you work in the woodworking, sheet metal or metalworking industries, Designer from Vero will be able to increase your productivity and efficiency.